So guys, for the first step, you want to head over to search and type in registry editor. Click on it and then click on yes, and now this will come up. And then once you're on this, you can follow everything that I'll be doing up here. So first you want to expand HK local machine. Now you want to expand software. Now you want to expand Microsoft. And now we're going to expand Windows. You want to scroll down till we find Windows. You want to expand Windows. Now we're going to expand current version. I'm going to make this a bit bigger. And now we're going to expand current version. And now you want to expand policies. We're going to scroll down till we find policies. You want to expand this. And now you want to click on system. And now this will appear on the right side. Again, you can follow everything that I did up here. Make sure that you're now in the system folder. And now once you're on this, you want to right click on the white space. And then click on new. And then click on dword for 8-bit value. We're going to call this enable linked connections. Spell it with the same capitals and lowercase as I did, and then click on enter. And then once we have this enable linked connections, you want to double click on it. Make sure that in this box right here, you have the number 1. So make sure that under value data, you have the number 1, and then click on OK. And now for the last step, you just want to restart your computer, and then the problem should be fixed.